look at the guitar. What's that? You see? Sarah, guitar. This is my favorite one so far. Ice cream time, of course. How is the citron Thai? Can't come to Citron Festival and don't taste the citron. Let me taste it. You see it? Look, Sarah. Good morning, good morning, good morning, morning. You can see me. Hi, Fairs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new, sunny day here in France. Coming, lighting. You guys, it's a good day here for outing, and that's exactly what we're doing. I just rhymed. Good day for outing, and that's what we are doing. No, can't turn rapper now. Yeah. Say good morning. Say morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, in.
Good morning.
Good job, Ty. Honey, say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Tyler, say good morning.
Wagwan.
Sarah, say morning, Faves. Good girl. That's my girl. You guys, we are on an adventure today. Who can guess where we're going?
Lemon Festival.
Yes, for the win. We are heading to a city called Menton, about 30 minutes away from home.
Excuse me, Mama.
Hold on, Ty. I'll talk to you in a second. We're going to the Lemon Festival. If you guys been watching us for a while, then this wouldn't be the first time you'll be seeing us going to the Lemon Festival. But the Lemon Festival is a different theme every year. It haven't been on since COVID, so this is the first time it's been back since 2 years. So we're looking forward to see the theme this year and enjoy the displays of all the lemons.
So I know what is it.
Yeah,
You should have it in envelope.
maybe I'm sure it's there. So yeah, that's where we're heading today. So stick and stay, because today's vlog is gonna be a very adventurous, different kind of vibe than what you guys are used to. And we love taking you guys on these adventures with us. So stick and stay. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and get me keep it with the fam bam, and hit that notification bell right now, and also hit that thumbs up, because you know when you thumbs up the videos, it goes a long way more than you could ever imagine. So appreciate each and every single one of you for always coming back and catching up and keeping up with us. Anyway, you guys, we're in these streets heading to Menton. We're almost there, so we'll catch you guys when all the festivities happening in Menton. So here we go. I'm feeding my man his green smoothie. Yes, we're still living that green smoothie life. We at least try to have green smoothie for breakfast these days. Kind of mix it up and have green smoothie for breakfast in the mornings, so that way we kind of still stay on track with our balanced lifestyle. Anyway, you guys, we're in the streets. Like a snack. Yes, Ty, you were saying?
I wanted to say that the city named Menton, just like Menton in French, the part of
the body?
Yes, Menton.
Menton. And which part of the body is called Menton? What is it in English?
I don't know.
Chin.
Oh yes, chin. Menton.
So there goes a little French lesson from Tyler for you guys. What are you doing, girl? You're looking so beautiful.
Or a French.
Look at her living her best life. So we have arrived in Menton. We're walking through the market right now. Flower market, clothes market, food market. All different kind of markets. All kind of things in the market. Now we are heading to the festival where the real things happening. So Lego, 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 Lego. And I can already see some of the exhibitions from where I am. Looking beautiful. Hopefully the lines are not too long to get in. Oh! So what's the ticket for? Okay. Okay. So we're entering the exhibition. Normally this part of it, we have to pay and join a line to get in. But this year, because of COVID, we only have to pay to enter the parade. So everything that you guys are about to see is designed out of oranges and lemons. So here we go. This is the garden. Normally we could get in and walk around, but this time I guess because of COVID we can't do that anymore. So let me give you guys a little view. They would even have a stand where you could see this from up above, but maybe that's no more. So I want to get in front of this one so you guys can see it properly. Okay, so the theme this year is opera. So Sarah, look, wow. So that's the first one that we're seeing. Looking good, beautiful.
Mama, wow. Mama, Paul.
And then you have these little booths here. This one is La Maison du Citron, so they have jam and confiture. He asked me if I want to try. So they have citron, everything, orange and lemon, every product that made out of lemon and oranges. Sarash. So as you guys can see, a lot of people just walking through. Normally it would be more exhibition than this, but I guess because of COVID a lot of things has changed. They have crepe making out of citron crepe. Okay, the next one coming up right now, but we have to go to the front so we can see this one properly. What's that, Sarah? Orange, lemon. Wow.
Wow, what's that?
What's that? Let's go find out what it is. Wow, look up, Sarah, up. Let's see what it is. Wow, look at her up there. Wow. No, you can't go up there. Wow, you see it? You see it? Look, Sarah. So this is a view of it from up high. It's not much, but I'll take it. There's a lot of people. Because of the sun, you can't see this one from up high. Sun make it terrible. Sarah? There's the other one. I realized they only have big exhibition this year. This one not nice. Okay, that's better. Normally when you come here, you don't see no grass. Everything is filled with oranges and lemon. But COVID has really altered things, huh? It's another one. Ah, this looks like a guitar. This is well done. Look at the guitar. What's that? You see? Sarah, guitar. This is my favorite one so far. This is my favorite one so far. Wow. What a creation. Absolutely beautiful.
Yay! Rachel, Mama.
Yay! Great job.
What's that?
Guitar. The guitar?
Mama.
Great job. Yeah. I'm gonna need a battery. Okay, let's see what is this one. Wow. No, it's not Christmas. It's Lemon Festival. Look. Yes. Look at her. She's a beauty. Look. Wow, she have a pretty dress on. You don't like it? Living our best beach life. Look at Sarah. Living our best beach life. Look at her. Taking off her shoes and her socks. Now you tell me why. Sarah, why are you taking off your shoes and your socks? Look at her. Oh my God, no. Sarah, no. You guys, we're here in Menton. We finished the garden and then we just sitting on the beach having a snack because it's not lunch as yet. And then I think we're gonna go to another exhibition before the big parade and lunch. So we're just here chilling on the beach behind me. But of course it's cold, so you can't go in. And this girl been saying about splash, water splash. Okay, you guys, so we finished eating and we have some time before the parade. So we are at the arcade, like the arcade museum. So we are here just looking at some beautiful arcades. they have displays of all the past festivals, what they look like. That's beautiful. So this is what the parade is gonna look like. We came in this one. We came at this one, honey.
Yes.
Look how beautiful it is. The parade is gonna be exciting. A lot of dance and flower throwing and stuff like that. Wow. Wow. Lots of people in here. Wow. Wow. Orchids galore. So beautiful. Lots of it. And they have other booths with different things on exhibition, on display. He's making personalized things over there. Chef Elisa. That's pretty. Wow. Exhibition, people selling things. These are candles. They're pretty. Wow. Supposed to smell so good. So everything really is kind of things made out of lemon.
Cachez ce qu'il y a derrière. Combien la glace? 2,50 le parfum s'il vous plaît. Prenez la carte à partir d'un certain moment. On prend pas la carte.
I want one.
Si jamais, ouais, je vais voir si j'ai du cash.
I want one. I want kind of what you want. Dans le cool. Ice cream time, of course. How is the citron time? Can't come to Citron Festival and don't taste the citron. Let me taste it. Ah, what is it? Just a little. Very citrony. Very lemony. It is nice.
Mais la quoi, ça va?
Même comme moi, c'est noisette. Sarah eat any flavor ice cream. Oh, toi, c'est le même comme Tyler. Ah, I didn't realize it. Ah, the boys have citron and the girls have noisette. Yummy? Sarah, no, look. Sarah, go like this. Look, Sarah, look. Ah, voila. She normally bites it. Ah.